This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Brooke Conley. Relish in maintenance-free living when you step into this turnkey Lake Smith Condo. Located in the heart of Virginia Beach, this lovingly maintained home boasts over 1,200 square feet of functional living space. The first floor features a nicely updated galley-style kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The main living space is complete with beautiful laminate floors and a gas fireplace to round out the dining and living room areas. Also enjoy access to private side patio to via sliding glass doors off dining area. Upstairs features a spacious primary bedroom suite highlighted by cathedral ceilings, sun-drenched views of the community pond, an ensuite bathroom, and a spacious walk-in closet. All in all, with close proximity to Shore Drive, Chic Beach, the Norfolk Outlets, VB Town Center, Bayville Park and Rec Center, Lake Smith, military bases and more, this condominium is move-in ready and provides convenient access to all that Virginia Beach has to offer. For more information, review the details below.